One yard, many worlds. What two birds can teach us about perspective. On a quiet day in the backyard, something small but precise unfolds. Two birds land on the ground. The first lands with purpose. It pauses, looks around, then begins moving forward, pecking at the dirt. A second bird follows, but always behind. It never crosses in front. When the first bird moves, the second moves. When the first bird leaves, sometimes the second waits, then follows. These birds, most likely American robins, are not just feeding. They are coordinating. The lead bird scans the environment. Every pause is a check for danger. Every step forward is a signal. The second bird reads those signals. If the leader is calm, it continues. If the leader reacts, it responds. There is no confusion, no wasted motion, just timing and trust. The pattern. This is a simple survival system. One takes on awareness. One moves with clarity. Both benefit. This isn't about control. It's about roles. One space. Different realities. Now zoom out. That same backyard is full of life. Birds searching the ground. Bees building and exploring. Squirrels planning ahead. Ants working together. Hawks watching from above. They all share the same space. But they are not living the same experience. Each one focuses only on what matters to it. Food, safety, timing, or opportunity. It may look like they're ignoring each other. They're not. They're filtering. The human connection. People do the same thing. At any moment, a person may be observing, planning, acting, supporting, reacting. These are not personalities. They are perspectives. The mistake is thinking everyone sees the world the same way. They don't. Those two birds show something simple. Not everyone moves first. Not everyone should. Awareness and trust can work together. Timing matters as much as action. One leads. One follows. Both are necessary.